Hey guys, it's Marlon Herlock here of HallelujahLifestyle.com, and I really want to welcome you to another exciting edition of Herbally Speaking. In today's episode, I will be looking at the 10 most powerful cancer-fighting herbs found in Jamaica. Or better yet, I'm actually beginning a new series, a 10-part series, looking at the 10 most powerful cancer-fighting herbs found in Jamaica. Guys, I really just want to ask you at this point that if these videos are helping you, if these videos are a blessing to you, please subscribe, please share, and please like our videos because they really help us out a lot. Also remember that these videos are released 10 a.m. every Monday morning Eastern Standard Time, and once you are subscribed, you're going to get these videos as soon as they are released. All right? So let's begin our look at herb number 1 of the 10 most powerful cancer-fighting herbs found in Jamaica. Now, if you were like me when you were a child who spent a lot of time outdoors in the woods, in the forest, then there's a pretty good chance that you would come across the herb that we're going to be looking at today. When I was young, I would spend time with my grandma, and while going to the bushes to look mangoes and a number of other goodies, there were many times that we would come home being wounded by this plant. Now, this plant, the vines are very small right now, and I've seen some very huge. I've seen vines as large as my hand or even maybe bigger, because they can wrap around trees and they can grow really tall, competing for sunlight in trees. Now, these plants basically are underestimated. These plants, because their use is not known, then they are, commonly destroyed and commonly thrown away. But today I want to share with you how powerful this plant is, and how powerful nature's garden is, and how effective nature's garden is in supplying us all the raw materials that we need in order to receive natural healing. So today we're going to be looking on this herb. It is called, it is known internationally as cat's claw, but it is better yet known in Jamaica as pusmaca. The scientific name is Oncaria tomentosa, and pusmaca, basically, our cat's claw, is a large woody vine that grows in the Amazon rainforest. It derives its name from hook-like thorns that grow along the vine and resembles the claws of a cat. And let me see if I can give you a better view of that. Here is one of the branches that I took off, and if you look at it, you see that the claws definitely, if you look at it, you can see that the claws definitely looks like the claws of a cat. All right. Now, the cat's claw has been used in Peru. It has been used in the Amazon rainforest. It has been used in Europe, even as early as the 1990s, as an adjunctive treatment for cancer. It has also been used for a number of other diseases that target the immune system. That's right. So if you have any disease that affects your immune system primarily, then this is definitely one of those herbs that you would want in your arsenal. It has several groups of plant chemicals that account for its action, with the most studied group being the oxidol alkaloids, which have been documented to have immune stimulant and anti-leukematic properties. So if you have leukemia or lymphoma or any one of those diseases that compromise HIV and AIDS, that compromise the immune system, then this is definitely one of the plants that you would want in your arsenal. More recently, there was a research that was done, an Italian research that was done, that reported in 2001 in an in vitro study, that cat's claw directly inhibited the growth of a human breast cancer cell line, by as much as 90%. And then there was a Swedish research document that showed that it inhibited the growth of lymphoma and leukemia cells in an in vitro study that they did. And so this plant is definitely a powerful plant. There are a number of other trials, in particular the Keplinger's observatory trials that show that cancer patients taking cat's claw or puss maca in conjunction with traditional therapies such as radiation reported fewer side effects like hair loss, weight loss, nausea, and secondary infections. Subsequent researchers have shown that cat's claw, or puss maca as we know it in Jamaica, can aid in DNA cellular repair and prevent cells from mutating. It can also prevent loss of white blood cells and immune cell damage caused by many chemotherapy drugs. So if you are taking chemotherapy drugs and you're looking for something to combat the effects, then cat's claw or puss maca is definitely one of those natural products that you want to use. Cat's claw has also been shown to kill viruses, fight free radicals, and reduce inflammation. I know that a lot of persons use it as a natural painkiller as well. How do you use it? Then guys, please go to my website at hallelujahlifestyle.com, where I'll give you a more detailed description as to how to use this herb. But in a nutshell, I recommend using the organically grown cat's claw herb, free from pesticides, herbicides, and other alternative pollutants. And that's one of the reasons why Jamaican herbs are so powerful, because most of our herbs are not grown commercially. They are harvested from the wild. All right, that's why our herbs are so potent. So in using it, what you want to do is that what we do is get the plant, we get the bark from the mature section of the bark, we debark it, we dry it, we blend it to a powder so that we can now establish a dosage. And I recommend using 1 heaping teaspoonful of the entire powdered cat's claw plant in 1 liter of hot water. Drink it ideally on an empty abdomen or empty stomach. An ideal dosage is about 4 ounces or about 1 cup twice daily. So there you have it, our look on herb number 1 of the 10 most powerful cancer fighting herbs found in Jamaica, cat's claw or puss maca. Tell me what you think about this video. Please remember to subscribe, and remember, until next time, your health is your responsibility, and the greatest weapon against sickness and disease is education, not medication. Please stick around for a clip that I've attached to this video, because for those persons who don't have the time, who don't have the know-how how to combine these herbs, we have a product that we have made from these 10 most powerful cancer fighting herbs found in Jamaica plus. See you next time.